guys at Last Step supporting my sister. We're making sweets for a little girl's party. Birthday party tomorrow. Trying to do it handmade. Oh, this looks so beautiful. You just go around and show you. Isn't that an art? It's so beautiful. For us, family life is very important. And that's why I'm so glad I'm doing the blog, because I can just go, and when she needs some support and she needs help with her children, even if it's a normal weekday afternoon, then I can actually do it. And yeah, we can spend some time together. And that's what's important, to have your own hours, to have your own flexible schedule, your own lifestyle.
Okay, it's 100%.
Yeah, we're just going to cut and pack out these sweets. Yeah, we've got this beautiful. Tomorrow we're going to have a party, but this ribbon round the tin is so beautiful. And yeah, these bottles are for pink milk, because the theme of the party is pink. And yes, we're going to do the rest tomorrow. So everything is packed out. Yeah, and maybe I'll show the rest tomorrow.